For today's travel, we are going to Mampili River, located in Barangay San Isidro, San Lorenzo Ruiz, Camarines Norte. There are two ways to get there. One is in San Lorenzo Ruiz and the other way is in Basud. On our case, we tried the latter because of the view deck that we are looking forward to seeing. Arat na! Grabe ang ganda! I can't believe that I'm seeing this in real life. Parang wallpaper lang. You will truly be amazed with God's artwork, no? So Monique, kumusta naman? Kumusta naman paglalakad natin?
Grabe, hindi pa ako patapilok. Paano pa sa picture ay? Oh, 5 minutes na lang daw.
Sabi ng tour guide namin kanina, 15 minutes daw papasok or 15 to 20 minutes. And then now, 5 minutes na lang daw. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Medyo mabagal kasi selfie lang selfie si Monique kanina pa. Hindi na nakakatigil sa selfie niya. Okay lang yan.
Kaya ka rejuvenating.
Ito, narinig na namin yung agos. And hinihingal na ako. Ilan? 5 minutes ulit?
20 minutes na.
Parang kanina 5 minutes, 5 minutes ulit.
Last 5.
Last 5. Wala nang 5 minutes, sige. It's almost 12 noon and all I can say is everything looks perfect. Medyo nakakapagod lang because it's too far. You need to walk not for 15 minutes as what originally advised. It's more than that. We've been walking for 20 or 30 minutes and we aren't there yet. Monique, I'm so tired. Look at Monica. So, how are you, Monique?
Ano, albularyo. Ang pagod. Sabi daw 15 minutes.
Grabe. Kaliwa kanan na yung lakad ko. After 1 hour, nearly 1 hour of walking, at last nandito na tayo. So, ready, bababa na. Come on. Ganda! Ito na, naglalakad na kami. According to our tour guide, exit of the river goes to Sipocot, Camarines Sur, and if you follow the water course, it would only take you 3 to 4 kilometers to reach Lupi, Camarines Sur. We've been informed that the view on top is better, kaya heto na naman tayo sa mga akyatan. Just be extra careful when you're climbing up. Napakalino ng tubig, oh. You can clearly see what's underneath even though it's too deep. There is even an area that's approximately twice of my height. Kaya kung di ka marunong lumangoy, alam mo na. At heto na naman ang love team ng taon. The stone walls are well structured and the current of the river is too strong, creating too much bubbles. Ooh, sarap magpaagos dito. Oh, napaka-relaxing tingnan. Let's not just enjoy the view but also experience its beauty, kaya time for swimming. Sulit na sulit yung napakahabang lakaran. I really enjoyed it. And I am sure mas may enjoy nyo to with your family and friends. Kaya tara na! Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. Kita-kits on our next travel. Bye!